Today's episode of Rated R Motorsports and Should Have Gone to College. Doing another set of 6-7 exhaust manifolds. Get rid of the whistle. So, 2 broken on this side, 1 broken on that one. Going back together with PD manifolds. Going back with the BD thicker casted manifolds with spacers, exergy metering valve, and the S&S CP4 disaster prevention kit. Obviously OEM reman turbo and all the gaskets, so should be a good one. Also, word of advice for anybody that isn't factoring in the BD kit: if you've used one, you probably know the struggle. The studs honestly suck to thread in. They give you a chintzy little tool to put them in, which isn't really the problem. I mean, tool isn't bad, but studs suck to put in. So do yourself a favor, get you an actual tap, not a thread chase, get you a tap, right size M8 by 125, and re-tap all the holes, and it makes a world of difference putting them studs in. Do yourself a favor.